Hi everyone, I'm Fiona and we are back in my garage once again to finish hopefully reinstalling the new diff into the back of the car. Should go in pretty easy. I don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully it just bolts straight up and we can move it around again on its own wheels. See how we go. Okay, so the diff and drive shafts I bought came essentially stripped out in one piece. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a quick clean up first. And then we'll push it up underneath and start installing it. Just going to put a bit of copper anti-seize in on the splines just so that it doesn't seize up. All of this will probably come out again before too long, so give her a good touch up there. That's it. That's the stuff. Okay, so we've cleaned up the ends a little bit and we've lined the new diff to be put in, but it's too heavy for me to do on my own, so I've got some help coming. 4 hands are better than 2. Well, I can't do the bearings today, so we're going to have to go back in and do the bearings later, unfortunately. Okay.
What do you want me to do?
Well, if you lie on that way, like head up first.
Head up my ass.
Whatever. I'll show you. I'm showing my hair there.
And don't drop it.
It's not light.
No.
It's as heavy as the MR2 gearbox.
Of course. It's a stupidly strong steel diff.
Yeah. So you can understand what I'm saying about.
Go.
Yeah?
Go up a little bit.
Well,
You got the cameras on?
well, they were on already, but.
Oh, hello. I think we need to center the jack. Center the diff on the jack a bit better, right? So it stops falling so much.
Yeah, it needs to go back a bit.
It needs to come forward, I reckon.
Struggle just to get it to where it is, so.
The diff actually needs to come more on the, because it's back heavy, so it needs to come forward more.
I'm not saying no. It needs to come further back.
What do you mean back? Well, we said that's forward, anyway.
That's the back. That's the front. This is back. We're going back. Well, I had help to get the diff up in. The thing's as heavy as an MR2 gearbox. It's crazy. So thanks for the help, but had to go. So I'm on my own now to tidy up, putting the rest of the bolts in to hold the new diff in place, and then we can put the hubs back together. It's a bit of an effort, this one. It's probably not a very exciting video, but it needs to be done. Alright, so with the diff mounted up underneath and the drive shaft connected through, it's only really the hubs left. This side, I didn't pull it out to start with, we just slid it in and slid it out in place, which is probably not the best way to do it, but I don't have the time to completely rebuild the hubs at this stage. But that's going to have to happen later. We've decided that the bearings need doing, and because we're also doing all the bushes with polyurethane, so the whole rear end's going to get a complete suspension makeover. So for now, it doesn't matter too much that we're just not going to do that, because I need this car to be able to be moved around, and so for now it's just going to go in as is. So this side, we've slipped it in from the rear. We'll bolt it up, put everything back in place, and then we'll reassemble the other side that was actually pulled apart. We'll do the best we can to reassemble all the bits as is. I just don't have the means to do all of that to it right now. It's just going to have to be on the to-do list. It's just how it is. One side, and that was the easy side. So as you guys know, I do this mostly at night, and it's starting to get nippy out here. It's chilling off at 6 o'clock at night, but that winter. Anyway, I've got to push through, try and get this done. I really need this car reassembled tonight, so as much as it's getting cold, I just have to keep going at it. So sorry if this is a bit time-lapsey. Got to do it. Sorry. I don't remember how the handbrake goes, so good thing I took those photos. I'll work it out. Two sides done. Oh, it's getting pretty nippy out here now. I don't want to know how cold it is. I'm freezing. We'll get these wheels on and get this car out of here. Right, job done, diff's back in, a few little problems. Couldn't remember how the handbrake part worked with the drum, but I have my photos, so that sorted that out real quick. Probably not the best video in the world. Unfortunately, it's cold and I'm just not feeling it. But I had to get the car back together. I've done that now. A couple little items to tidy up. I want to change the gear oil in the diff. The diff at the moment only has a little bit in it. It's not even properly full, so I can't really drive it, even though I can move it, which was the big aim, but I can't really drive it. I'm not going to get under it and change the diff oil now. It is just really cold out here. I want to grab another jacket, to be honest. It's not fun, but anyway, job done. Diff's in. Not a massive video. I've still got parts coming for other parts of the build. Unfortunately, I can only do so much. I don't have all the money in the world. I can only do things as I've got the parts. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.